Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Jaguar XF, and I'm going to be showing you guys, in my opinion, one of the best upgrades you can do to your interior. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As for tools, we're going to be needing a heat gun, or you could also use a hair blow dryer, and also a pair of small flathead screwdrivers. I'm going to be replacing the steel plates on top of the shifter knob, and I'm going to be adding a touch of wood to it instead. So with my hair dryer, I'm going to heat up the shifter knob area for about 15 to 20 seconds because there's adhesive under it, and with this it's going to be easier to remove once it's heated. As you guys know, the shifter knobs on these XF are very futuristic. It's a very nice piece, but the one thing it was missing is some wood. And now adding that wood has just brought more elegance to the interior. It matches with the rest of the wood interior and just gives it that premium touch. It's a very high quality piece and it does not look cheap at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my Jaguar XF. If you did, please give it a like and share. And please check out the playlist for more videos on the Jaguar XF. And if you guys enjoyed these videos, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.